So in this session, we learn networking. So first of all, we understand how networking it works. So previous session, I tell you about a different type of networks connected here. So these are all the components of the networking devices like router, switch, and everything is interconnected. So like here, modem and router is everything is interconnected. So what will we understand by using this software? We know how networking it works. We learn how data is transferred one computer to another computer or computer to server. How it works. We learn entire thing by using this software. Okay. So by using this software, we will learn these kinds of commands. First, we learn ping, IP config, and everything. So first, we connecting to the systems. You know how they are connected by using these different kinds of cables. So one is the straight cable and another one is cross cable. So straight cable and cross cable is nothing. So usually we use LAN cables in our home and office. So this is the LAN cable. So these LAN cables are interconnected. This kinds of cables, for example. So the first end is starting with white green. So another is in with the same color. So this is called a straight cable. And another one is the cross cable. So first end start with white green color, but another end start with the orange color. Okay, this is the difference between straight cable and cross cable. Okay, and why one day you understand why this where is the straight cable used, where they are places are using the straight cable, and where their places are using cross cable. So the uh, same devices are connected crossover cable. Different devices are connected straight cable. Okay. So this is the difference between straight and crossover cable. Now we learn the software. So once done the installation, this screen is appear. What you can do? So first you go to click this button, confirm this. After that, this workspace is appear. Okay. So this workspace contain so many tools like this is the weaving tools, and here so much network components are available. So for example, router, switch, and hub vending, everything is available. So how to utilize this tool? First, we demonstrate one simple network connectivity. So first I just transfer one PC. So here, so you just click this button, and here one entity is available. I just drag this, put here this workspace. Okay. So after that, I need another one PC. What you can do? So you just drag the same PC and put here. That's it. So after that, what you can do? You want to connecting these two different PC. You need cable, right? So you just go to click this thunder symbol icon. You get more amount of cables present here. So this is the straight cable, and this one is the crossover cable. Suppose you don't know which cable I use in industry level, so you don't confused. You directly click this icon and go to navigate it. Okay, I'll tell you later this one. First, I connecting these two different devices in this straight cable. So this is the example only. So in your PC, where you can put this cable, so Ethernet port. So I just choose this one and connect here. That's it. You get this red color, means you select the wrong cable. Why? Because already I told you. So the same devices are connected crossover cable. Different devices are connecting straight cable. So I choose two different same devices. Okay, so the same devices are connecting a crossover cable. So that's why I get this error. So what you can do, you just press the delete button. I just delete the cable. After that, you select the crossover, choose the cable, fast Ethernet, and choose this one. That's it. So you get the red color icon. Red color status. So you connecting the correct wire selection. You connecting two different pieces and correct wires. So you get this result. After that, what you can do? You select this. I just show something. I just double click this PC. you using it. So you get exact CPU, exact CPU in real time. Okay, so you just click this on off button also it works. You see, suppose I press off button, the PC's status is off. I just press again, it's on. Okay, so now we go to the desktop and go to the command prompt. Okay, this command prompt, the similar your Windows command prompt. Okay, this is the command prompt. So what are the commands you type in here? The same way you type here. Okay, so that's it. So after that, I connecting two different PCs. Now assign the IP address. So I choose one IP. For example, I choose one IP. This PC IP is 192.168.0.1. Okay, so now I choose this PC 192.168.0.2. Okay, so two different devices are connecting the same IP address. I just double click this IP. PC, you go to navigate IP configuration. After that, this IP configuration, we have two different options. One is a THCP and another one is static. So you choose THCP. This one choose this PC generate automatic IP address, but this is not a necessary. So we learn this how IP addresses work. So that's why we using static only. So now I just put the same IP 192.168.0.1. That's it. And you don't give any subnet mask. You just click here. Automatically the subnet mask is present. Okay. So what is the use of this subnet mask? So this will avoid the collision of the data. So that's why using subnet mask. We don't give any subnet mask in manually. So we put only IP address only manual. Okay. So that's it. So I put IP address. After that, you just close this one. Again, I choose this PC. Go to desktop. Put IP configuration and put the IP address 192.168.0.2. That's it. And you just click here. Automatically, the subnet mask is present. That's it. So I assign the IP address of these devices. Now I check this devices is working or not, because which means these devices are communicated or not. So how we can check? By using this command. The command name is ping. Okay, so this command only we know these PCs are communicated or not. Okay, so you just click this icon and go to the command prompt. You just put the command ping. The command is ping and put another end IP. So the another end IP is 192.168.0.2. That's it, and hit it. You see this PC. So this PC sends some packets, which means a data packets in that particular IP address, which means that another end host. Okay. So the four packets transfer this PC and four packets receive again the same PC, which means that this one is the acknowledgement. Okay. So there is no loss. So the IP address is working is correctly. Suppose the packet is not received again. Suppose the packet is not received again. So you receive. So you lost the packets. Such cases. So that case the IP address is not working. So I tell you another one scenario. I put some wrong IP address 192.168.0.3 and hit it. So you see this one I put this ping command. I put the IP address. We get the result in quickly, but here need some time. I just terminate the session. You see the packet sent 3, the received packet 0, because this IP address not connected here. So the packet loss is 3, so 100% loss, which means this IP is not working. Okay, so now you understand what how the ping command is works. So we go to simulate this case, we then only you understand what is the use of ping command. Okay, so we go to the simulation and I choose one packet. So this is the data packet I put here. This is the source, and this one is the destination. So now I just put this button, play button. You see the packet is sent here and get back to the source. Okay, so you get one tick mark, so this connection is working properly. So also you get the result here also. Okay, so this one small application, you understand how network it works. So we move on the next session. Okay, thank you.